Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase and the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the server setup with the help of the Node.js and the Firebase. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we use the Express, Firebase admin and the EGS. Okay, so these packages we require. So go and just add these packages first. Okay, after this packages installation, then we have to go with the initialize with the const app with the express. Okay, then we have to configure the service account key.json file. So this is service account key json file for the firebase part. Okay, so you have to this file service account. So I need to add this file from my downloads. So here we have the downloads. I think the last file I have is this one. So I need to copy this file and add it over here. So you know that where I have just copied this, because I have already told this part from the first video, I guess. So you need to just follow the steps and download this file. Okay, then paste it over here. So why it's not service account, let me check what exactly it's not showing in the color part. Service account key.json. So I think it should be a fold, not a folder. Move to the trash, paste it. Sorry, and it took in copy and paste it over here. So this file is complete now. Color is changed. Okay. So this file is now linking properly. The next part is we have to initialize the admin.initialize app for the Firebase credentials, and this is the database URL that we have to put. Then Firebase initialization code. Okay, this is the Firebase initialization code for the CRUD operations. Initialize app credentials you have to mention with the search service account, then database URL. Okay, where you get this database URL, you have to go to the project settings. Okay, so that part is going from here. Credential is there. If I just reload this again, because database is now we have created, so I think the database now available over here. Now you can see, is it my Firebase project? Which phone? No, this is phone number default. Let me check the database part here. We have a Firestore database. Yeah, we have the database part here. Okay, and in the okay for the database URL, let me check this one, project settings. Okay, so here we have also the database URL, but I think it is coming over here only the service accounts. If it is not there, then I think we should comment this. Let's check this part. Okay, so this is credentials, then admin firestore enabled. Okay, then we have to go with the middleware setup. So this is app.view.engine and URL encode for the APIs. So this is basically for the accepting the JSON part, or you can say that the form data. And this is the view engine that we are using, that is for the views, that is EGS. And this is for the static file that we are going to serve. Okay, the next one, that is the rest of this is all REST APIs that which we are going to discuss in the next part. So first we will start the server. Okay, so we will start the server on the port number 5000, or you can go with 3000. No, not an issue. Okay, so let's try to run this file. So open the terminal, Control Alt T, or we will go with here and let's go to the Node.js tutorial where it is. So here we have the project, that is Node Firebase CRUD. Open in a terminal and run this node app.js, right? So it's running on the port number. So I means that the server is set up properly. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create a user with the help of the Firebase and the Node.js and the Firestore. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.